about something? Keep it locked in your sights. There's nothing else but what you see down that barrel. Nothing left and nothing right. Keep it steady, hold it tight, and don't forget to breathe. Feel the cold steel on your arm, and squeeze. It's not loaded.
Do you ever miss?
Good Lord, yes. But I'm a pretty good shot, though, I say.
Why do you shoot them?
It's the nature of things, way it's always been. You blame and curse them when they pull your shoots and they eat your seeds. But they're only doing what they're made to do, just as they know I'm here doing what I do too. Just the nature of things. Hey! That's against the rules. You don't point the gun at anybody, even when it isn't loaded.